Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms, baby. Won't you squeeze me once? Show me that you love me too.
So first of all, thank you so much for braving the heat. I know it's like 112 degrees outside, so we thank you very much for that. So some of you may have noticed there's some cameras around, so we're filming all of you tonight, so I want you all to be lively and energetic and have fun. Can you do that for me? Better yet, can you do that for Lauren? All right, cool. So this thing's about to start in a couple minutes, so everybody hang tight. And I promise you will not be disappointed, and I cannot wait to see your smiling faces and your loud voice. So give us 2 minutes. We're ready to rock and roll. Thank you so much.
In the studio recording some new music for you. Super excited for you guys to hear it. Things are starting to pick up now. When I walked into the Capitol building and got signed, I was so excited. Just kind of nervous actually, because I'm used to just being on my own time and posting on social media what I want, and now I'm making music and doing bigger things than I could have ever imagined. I've always sang, I've always played piano, so this is a really big moment for me, and I'm so excited to be making new music in the tower. It's something new for me and exciting, and I hope that some of my songs mean something to you or can be relatable, because all of it's coming from the heart, so I hope it can relate to girls who follow me and boys who follow me even, and just be a really powerful thing. Thank you guys for stopping by my studio session. I'm very excited for you to hear the new music, and I love you. What's up, guys? Unfortunately, I can't be there. I'm stuck in the studio. But you know what? Never mind.
that you guys are here. Thank you so much for coming. I've been working on this for so long and I was nervous. Now that I see everyone, I'm not nervous anymore. So now, I'm so nervous saying this. Okay, now I have a sneak peek of my new single, My Story, that no one has ever heard before. You guys are the first. So thank you for being here and I hope you enjoy it.
Love you! crying the whole time.
Okay.
Oh my god.
I'm back. Okay, I hope you guys liked it. I know it was really short, but the song comes out in 2 days. So you're gonna hear it in 2 days.